We are currently here at Griffith Observatory to watch a beautiful sunrise over the skyline of LA. I'm getting some GoPro time-lapse footage of the beautiful twinkling lights of the city. Stunning, beautiful. It's like looking into the night sky, which is actually above it. Anyway, enjoy the start to what's going to be an amazing day here in Los Angeles. I've got 12 hours from sunrise to sunset to do as much as I can before I've got to fly back home to Australia. Alrighty guys, it is now 7 AM. It's time to head to the next destination. What I'm trying to do today is I've got a list of 15 places I want to go visit before I need to fly home. This is the beautiful Griffith Observatory.
Let your heart break only in LA. 24 twice. She's on the phone, but she's staying on Wilshire Boulevard. Old dreams dying hard.
Let's go try and get a photo of the Hollywood sign behind me. Griffith Observatory, tick, number one. Now let's head to the Hollywood Bowl. Apparently you can walk there for free.
He's not the one, babe. He's not the one, babe. Oh, you got enough on your plate. Got enough on your plate. Leash is off. Suit is on point.
So I'm trying to find a way into the Hollywood Bowl. There doesn't seem to be any signage to say how to walk up because everything's just gated off. I read somewhere online that you can actually walk in there, but I honestly cannot find how to get in. Anyway, it looks okay. I wouldn't say it's the prettiest place, but maybe I got to experience a concert here. So one day when I'm in LA and there's a concert going on Hollywood Bowl, we'll come check it out. Anyway, should we go to the next destination then? It is already 7:45. So according to my schedule, I have a schedule. Breakfast is next. And we're going to go to Mel's Drive-In Diner because I want some biscuits and gravy for brekkie. Oh, biscuits and gravy. It's just hot and gravy and salty. Amazing. Alright, that was a very filling breakfast. Too many carby bread stuff. Anyway, in case you didn't catch what I was saying before, basically I had biscuits and gravy, so much gravy on basically what is a scone. Could not finish that, and the French toast with cinnamon and all that maple syrup, so good, but again, too much. Then the waitress comes up, takes it away, she's like, you hardly even ate anything. Give it a pretty good crack. They have big appetites here, obviously not the same. So we're going to head now to the tar pits. It is currently 9:36. We have 8.5 hours to go. Let's keep doing it. Okay, so we made it to the tar pits. On the drive here, there were like butterflies everywhere throughout town. And apparently, they're all migrating right now, so they're just everywhere. So let's try and get them to surround us. I mean, I can see them, they're probably too small to capture on camera. see them. I don't know if you can see them. Hundreds. Beautiful. Let's go check out the tar. So these tar pits are consistently bubbling up and have been for thousands of years. Anyway, guys, that is the tar pits tick. Now I can head to, we're going to go to the Science Museum. I'm going to go check out the space shuttle. Okay, so we'll now be at the Science Museum. That's not a click. So I already see aircraft here. Me likey aircraft. Check out this beast. I mean, pretty bloody cool, right? So let's go inside and check out. They have two football stadiums next to each other. Football stadium there, and football stadium right there. I should come back soon and watch a game there next season. Or there, the other side. Spoilt for choice. Anyway, let's go inside and check out. What was I here for again? Space shuttle, that's it. Sick, let's do it. So what I'm going to do now is the main reason for this ridiculous trip of flying for over 24 hours of 3 flights, purely to get In and Out. Just craving out In and Out burgers, and I'm going there now. Got it, and it smells amazing. Pretty excited, so let's just eat this thing. Is that worth flying a 24-hour round trip? Totally. I'm gonna need a moment. Great. Now what? We're going to head down to Santa Monica Pier now anyway. Enjoy the afternoon. So we're almost here at the end of the video. Let's go to Santa Monica Pier and see if we can go on one of the rides with the GoPro. Too easy. Santa Monica Pier now. It is so busy here. I've honestly never seen it this busy. One of the rides, I have to go get my jumper. It is freezing here. So I was on that ride and I can't say no, you can't have your GoPro on the ride, that's their policy. Yet everyone whips their phone out and they're okay with that. Don't understand, but anyway, let's dip my feet in the Pacific Ocean on the west coast of America before I head for dinner and then home. It's freezing icy cold water. It is super windy and that is the end of my day. Oh, my feet are already frozen. Anyway guys, it's let's watch the sunset around Santa Monica as we bid LA adieu. I wonder if this windsock's working. It is hugely windy. Ooh, still cold, still icy. Oh my, we'll go for swims in this. Anyway, thank you for watching, thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for everything in between. I've been Flying Dave, and this has been one of my really weird adventures, but it was so worth it for that In-N-Out burger. I'd do it all again. Maybe over 2 days though, have more sleep. Okay, I'm out.